And when Liam didn't work the ground, when we were working, he went to Rwanda, never worked the ground with us. So we could see he's on his way out. So we knew. So yesterday when I was speaking about the man, about him, that one can leave, but 100 comes in. He's never understood. PA is not a middle class, upper middle class party. We are on the ground. We are the lowest LSM, the lowest people that has no incomes vote for the PA. The people with no money, people with no opportunities, people with nothing. He cannot speak to them, and he's never spoken to them. We've tried to move him around, I'm telling you. But it doesn't take away that he's a very talented young man. Doesn't take away. I have to think, it doesn't take away from it. Even him, when we spoke about Cheslin, like, I don't know how he took the fact that Cheslin came in. Because I think he once told me they have a little bit of beef. But you can see when Cheslin came in, there was a big change in our strategy of thing. And Liam was saying to me, hey, yeah, I think I'm not the right person for the mayoral candidate. He said it to me, and I agreed with him. Because he just couldn't break through the onse mense. And for me, I could never let Liam go. I found him at Parliament, and I had to put him back there. I had to put him back there. Because I can't step him in the back like that. He trusted the PA. He came. And I was saying to them, guys, let him go to Parliament. Maybe we can see, but the ground is not for him. Now, the problem with, if you, and I say it respectfully, and don't say I call Liam a dog, because I know this is how you're going to spin it. But I'll make an example. I call myself a grondhond. Ek is a grondhond. But you see, when you have a kennel, when you have a kennel, and you have a dog in that kennel, and you fasten that dog with a chain, and the chain is just 10 meters, or not even 10 meters, 5 meters. If you have a long chain of 5 meters, and you fasten that dog for a very long time, and that dog, every time the dog wants to run, he can't run, because then the chain catches him back. And for years, that dog will know this chain is this long, so I can't go further than the chain. But when you unfasten that chain, that dog wouldn't know that he's free. He will not walk free in the yard. He will still stay 5 meters from the kennel. He will still stay 5 meters from the kennel. So we don't mind if Liam leaves. We saw this already. We spoke as leaders. Ons het hom lank al gesien kom. The problem with Liam is that I never put him next to me. Like I put Mbiza. Like I put Mishay. Like I put the SG. Like I put Mary. I never put him next to me. Never. Because I knew, they want to understand me. They want to understand how I operate, how I move. And I saw this thing a long time ago, like, ek kan nie vir hom kort sê sit langs aan my nie. Hy gaan dinge sien, hoor, discuss. I did that with Mbiza. I did that with many leaders in the PA. Dan sit ek hulle hier langs aan my en sê, kom hier, dis hoe ons werk. This is what we do. This is how we do this thing. So he did what he did, which I must respect him. A man, let me tell you something, I'm older than 12. If Liam wants war with PA, he should continue with what he's continuing with. We'll make social media for him very uncomfortable. But we don't want to do that. We want to wish him well. He said a month ago, he doesn't like the politics of attacking. Today he's attacking us. This is the man that said he doesn't want politics of attacking. We've never started to attack him. Ons is nie in 'n koma nie. Moenie hom fout maak nie. Hy sal niks post hier op die social media. Ons sal ons hele attention by jou direct. But we don't want to do that. So, bam by yourself, Masekant. Bam by yourself. That's number 1.